Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this will be my first voiceover, and I just wanted to share with you guys this unboxing. This unboxing was sent to me by another fellow YouTuber. Her channel is in Spanish. Her name is Inspiración Lupita, which means inspirational, and then her name is Lupita. So she was so kind enough to share her plants with me. I also had sent her some plants. So yeah, this is an unboxing, and it was really sweet of her to do this. I watch many different succulent channels, whether they're in English, Spanish, or in other languages. I just like to see their plans and what they're doing. You can kind of tell, what they're doing just by watching. So I just really enjoy, and I'm happy to just be able to share with people from different states, or just to look at other people's plants, how they take care of them in different countries. So here you go. I'm opening the box, and I don't know the name of all these. I do. The only problem that I'm noticing with the voiceover is that the recording screen that says that it's recording, it's over what I'm actually looking at the plants. So it's kind of covering the plant a little bit, so I'll try to do my best. I don't know the name of this plant. Obviously, it's a trailing plant. It's really pretty and plumpy. I've never seen it before in person. This is my first time getting it, so I'm really excited to receive it. It also has flowers. It's really pretty. Let's see what else. I hope you guys are enjoying. Today's Friday. I did do this unboxing a few days ago already, and I'm finally getting the courage to do the voiceover for you guys. I'm just opening the next one. I wanted to share with you guys because I know you guys are going to like these plants. They're beautiful. This is a beautiful aeonium, and I'm excited. She has a beautiful aeonium collection in her front yard. It is amazing. She has many different type of aeoniums. She does understand English, so you can message her and ask her questions, make comments on the videos if you like. She understands and speaks English very well. So yeah, I've had aeoniums before, but I am not successful. I probably watered it too much, and then had it in the greenhouse, and probably watered it during the summer when there was too much humidity, so they died in the past. So yeah, I'm trying to bump up my collection. I'm doing this unboxing in the front porch, and I'm sitting on the floor, and these are gonna go there, and there's an overhang there, so they won't get water when it rains, and there's airflow. It's not like being in the greenhouse where there's humidity and stuff. When you water your plants, humidity's in there. So yeah, here is another, I think, in my opinion, this is a money plant, but a variegated one. I'm not sure. Super cute. So I was saying about the porch, it gets very bright light there. So yeah, I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. I can't believe she managed to put so many plants in that little box. So this is a really pretty one as well. If you guys know the names of these, please share with me, because I do not know the name of any of them. The only two succulents that I have is the lily pad one, and that's been very well. I've been taking care of that pretty good. So, because I was very conscious after losing my other ones, not to overwater and not to water during the summer times when it's dormant. So that's what I'm trying to do. So that one's done very well. And then I have an aeonium kiwi that I just purchased. Oh, look at this one. So pretty. It's got some variegated colors as well. So I think this is some type of variegated aeonium. It's also fuzzy. This one's fuzzy. For the fuzzy ones, the dirt can get really stuck on them, and it's hard to clean it off. I decided to do a voiceover because it's kind of hard to recreate an unboxing because you already did it. So it's like, okay, well, let me just do the voiceover. I hope you guys enjoy this. This plant is one that I really admire a lot on Instagram. It's very pretty. It gets a lot of the farina and pink and green and yellow colors. Really pretty. I only have one tiny little piece of this plant when I purchased like a little arrangement kit, and it's still there. So now after this one roots, I'm gonna pull that other one out and go ahead and place it in with that one. In her channel, she showed this one, and hers is big. It's really big and pretty. This is another beautiful aeonium. Obviously, I don't know the name of it, but it also has some beautiful variegation. Look at those colors. I don't get to see these type of aeoniums at Home Depot or Lowe's or any of the nurseries that I've gone to. The only ones I've seen is the lily pad and the kiwi and the pinwheel at Home Depot and Lowe's. She lives in California, so I don't know if over there, you know, they have so many succulents over there in California. This is another beauty. Look at those pretty colors. It has yellow, purples, green, really pretty. Can't wait till they open up. I'm actually outside doing this voiceover just so that you guys can just hear just nature, what's going on around me. Look at this other beautiful one. Another thing that I love about aeoniums, they look like roses. Actually, that's what I like about many succulents, echeverias, that they look like roses, but it's a rose that will never die unless you kill it. Look at this dark one. It's such a deep purple, really pretty. I think I've seen this one as well, or similar, very similar. I have seen this one, but I'm always afraid to purchase it because I'm afraid that I might kill it. But since Lupita has such great experience with them, hers are doing so well. I'm just going to be talking to her and getting advice from her, you know, asking her if she thinks I should water, how does it look, and stuff like that. That's another thing I like about Instagram. Instagram is very easy to share pictures so I can see what you guys are talking about. That's why I like for you guys to message me on Instagram if you have a question so that I can see what's going on through the pictures. In a comment, it's kind of hard, you know, to really look and know what's going on. Here's another beauty. It looks similar to that plant, but it isn't. It's a different aeonium. These petals are wider. And it's a little bit lighter as well. The other one that you saw had a deep purple. There's this other beautiful aeonium. I'm wondering if this is the sunburst. If you guys know, please let me know. It's got pink, yellow, and green. And then this is, I believe, the last one that I'm going to open up. And this is, I don't know what this is. Is it a euphorbia or a cactus? If you guys know, let me know. I know I've seen this one. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Got ahead of myself. No. This is another aeonium. Very pretty. Also looks similar to the last one, but way bigger petals. Or leaves, I guess. I guess they're leaves. This is the last one. So if you guys know if this is a cactus or a euphorbia or maybe something else, please let me know. I know the picture she sent me, hers look really pretty with lots of pink in it. Those little, I guess, let's call them leaves that you see there, they get pink. So yeah, that one is really nice. So guys, that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to show you guys where I put them and how they look.